knows this, Dad?
I do know this.
This is the tool hitch. This end connects. This tool hitch connects with this, and the tool hitch connects to this fuel.
This is the fuel. Okay.
The fuel. This for.
Where's for?
Where's F?
Here.
F. For fuel. Welcome to Prayan's world. Please subscribe and hit the bell button. A tow truck.
What does it do?
It carries the cars on this conveyor. Yes, and for these levels. Take a whole piece of the Jeep.
What is happening?
It's starting to pull up. Yes. It's Jeep. It's called the Jeep.
The Jeep is pulling up?
Yes. It's going up the ramp. And it's still going up the ramp. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going.
And done.
Now we can put the thingy back. It's the engine oil run out. The car is broken. There was an accident.
There was an accident?
Yes.
How did the accident happen?
We hit another Jeep.
Oh, this Jeep hit another Jeep.
Yes.
Where is the tow truck taking the Jeep to?
There.
Oh, this is the workshop.
What happened?
Oh, it ran down.
Look, this is not doing to here.
How can we do it till here?
It's moving. It's moving.
It is.
No, the tow truck is here. It's a parking center. And we need to open up the car's Jeep. Whoa, these are the parts. So where's the fuel?
Where's the fuel? I think this is.
No, this is solar panel. This is the fuel. So we need to fill some fuel. But the parts are also broken.
Oh, all the parts are broken?
Yes.
Oh, let's fix them.
It's a fly. All the parts are ready. But the oil is not good. The oil is not fuel. Let's fuel. It's done. It's a secret box.
It's a secret box?
Yes.
Which one?
But it have these. But it's not a secret box. Look at this.
Oh, this is to service the car and the Jeep.
But the same thing is on the other car. There's 4 of them. The gate's open. And there's a secret trap door.
A secret trap door. Where is it?
Here it is.
Can you show me?
It goes inside and it goes up. See? Please subscribe and hit the bell button. And the gate's open. And
This gate also opens. Let me have a look inside. Oh, it has a steering.
it's steering.
Wow.
There's a stair.
A steering wheel inside.
The steering wheel. Let me check. Oh, and it goes here and there.
And it has a gear also.
This opener. Look. Look at these tiny mirrors.
Yeah, they are so cute.
And look at this big mirror.
That's the glass, the front glass.
Look at these headlights. Look at these headlights.
Yes.
Look, this is the space bar. This is something. It's like a ramp for cars. It's a ramp for cars. Do you know this, Dad?
I do know this.
This is the tow hitch.
The tow hitch, right?
Yes, and connects. This tow hitch connects with this, and the tow hitch connects to this.
Yes, this connects to this, and it also connects to this. Whoa!
Other ramps. They can flow up, and they can flow up. And when a car needs to go up, when the car is already up, we can close these. And you want to learn the parts of the Jeep now?
Yes.
Why tow truck when cars get broken? Yes. And you want to learn the parts of the Jeep.
Yes, I want to.
It also has a steering wheel. There's the mirrors. These are two mirrors. And you want to see what's inside?
Yes, I want to. Whoa, that's the engine?
Yes. Solar panel, which synthetic, I don't know all of them too.
And these are tires. And the seats. And an extra tire on the back.
Yes, Jeeps have that. And it can come off. It can come off sometimes. It can come off. Please subscribe and hit the bell button